Today, we're talking about ratios and we are talking about animals. We are in the city zoo and we know that there are four monkeys for every two tigers. We can see four monkeys for every two tigers. And you can see the representation over here. But their conditions have changed, and now instead of seeing two tigers, you can see four tigers. Four tigers in the zoo. The number became twice bigger. Since the ratio needs to keep its balance, we have to balance the second number of monkeys as well. So if tigers became from two to four, the tigers became twice more. Monkeys need also to become right twice more. Twice more tigers will bring us twice more monkeys. If you see two tigers, no, you now see four tigers. Let's put them together. But we cannot see any more four monkeys. We need to see 4 plus 4. Absolutely right. We now need to see 8 monkeys because we need to use the same amount of bricks twice. We use the bricks that are pink bricks twice, 2 and 2. That's why we have to use the orange bricks 4 and 4 twice. The ratio stays the same, 2 to 4, 2 to 4. They're like twins. They need to be paired together, one and one, one and one. One pink brick versus one orange brick. One pink brick versus one orange brick. And now it's quite easy to calculate the amount of monkeys in the zoo. Not 4 anymore, but 4 plus 4, 8. Let's check. That's right. All right. We are talking about Isabella and her fruit shake. She uses cups of mango juice and cups of orange juice, but she uses way more orange juice rather than mango juice. And we can see their ratios over here. 4 cups of orange juice and 3 cups of mango juice. 3 and 4. But then situation changed and Isabella decided to cook a bigger fruit shake. And instead of using 4 cups of orange juice, she used 12 cups of orange juice. What does it mean? She used 3 times more orange juice. So she used 4 cups, right. She used 4 cups 3 times. 4 cups 3 times. At the same time, she needs to use the block of 3, which means 3 cups of mango juices. She also needs to use, you're right, she also needs to use it 3 times because the ratio needs to stay 4 to 3, 4 to 3, 4 to 3. If we use 4 3 times, then we have to use 3 times as well because everything needs to be balanced. Altogether, she used 12 cups of orange juice, which means she multiplied 4 cups by 3, and then she needs to multiply mango juice by 3 as well. And we got the question, how many mango juice did she use? She doesn't use any more 3. She uses already 9. That's right, 9. That's correct.